Welcome! Today we're diving into a quick and easy guide on how to enable Notification Spotlight in Google Chrome. This feature allows you to receive important updates and alerts directly from your browser, enhancing your browsing experience. Let's get started. First, open your Chrome browser. Locate the Chrome icon on your desktop or taskbar and double-click it to launch the application. Once it's open, you're ready for the next step. Next, look to the top right corner of your browser window. You'll see 3 vertical dots, often referred to as the menu icon. Click on these dots to reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, select Settings. This will take you to a new page where you can customize various aspects of your Chrome experience. Now, in the Settings menu, look for Notifications. You might need to scroll down a bit or check under the Privacy and Security section. Click on Notifications to access the notification settings. Here comes the crucial part. You want to enable Notification Spotlight. Look for an option that allows you to toggle notifications on or off. Make sure this setting is turned on. This will allow websites and apps to send you notifications directly through Chrome. And that's it! You've successfully enabled Notification Spotlight in Google Chrome. Now you can stay updated with alerts for meetings, messages, and other important notifications without having to check each site manually. Remember, managing notifications can help reduce distractions while ensuring you don't miss out on essential updates. Feel free to revisit these settings anytime if you want to adjust your preferences. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on using Google Chrome effectively. Happy browsing!